Good morning, students. My name is Nirupama Parida from JHB Sardar Primary English School. Students, today we are going to learn English 2 language with each textbook week 2 day 3 for standard 4. Week 2 day 3 sentence analysis. Punctuate the sentence. The cleverness of the cunning fox was no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger. Now we have to punctuate the sentence. We know that the sentence should begin with capital letter and ends with the punctuation mark. In this sentence, the first letter T should be capital. And this sentence is a statement. So, it should end with the full stop. Now, I am reading the sentence. The cleverness of the cunning fox was no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger. Full stop. Fill in the table given with the words from the given sentence of the day. The cleverness of the cunning fox was no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger. In this sentence, the first word, the, is an article. Cleverness. Cleverness is an abstract noun. Students, do you know what is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are things that cannot be experienced with 5 sense organs. They can be qualities, feelings, or attitude. Here, cleverness is a quality. So, cleverness is an abstract noun. Abstract nouns are uncountable noun. The next word, of. Here the word of shows position. So, of is preposition. The is an article. Cunning. Student, here the word cunning means clever. Cunning describes the noun fox. So, it is an adjective. Cunning is also an impostor verb because there is no helping verb used before it. Fox. Here, fox is common noun which is countable and masculine gender, and it is also in singular form. Was is being verb which is in simple past tense. No. Here no is used as adverb because it describes the verb was. Match. Here match is an abstract noun. Abstract nouns are uncountable noun. For. Here for is preposition. The is an article. Strength. Here strength is an abstract noun which represents the quality. Abstract nouns are uncountable noun. Of. Here of is preposition. The is an article. The next word, ferocious. Student, ferocious का मतलब क्या है? Ferocious का मतलब भयंकर. Here, ferocious is used as adjective which describes the noun tiger. Tiger. Here, tiger is common noun which is countable and masculine gender, and it is also in singular form. Students, this is a negative sentence because the word no is used in this sentence. Answer orally. The cleverness of the cunning fox was no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger. Question number 1. Find abstract nouns and change them into an adverbs. Are these nouns countable or uncountable? स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर क्लेवर वर्ड में अगर हमें NESS ऐड करते हैं तो वो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बन जाता है, और अगर उसी वर्ड क्लेवर में हमें LY ऐड करते हैं तो वो एडवर्ब बन जाता है. सो क्लेवरनेस का एडवर्ब होगा क्लेवरली. Similarly, the abstract noun strength has been formed from the word strong. When we add ly to this word, it becomes strongly, which is an adverb. Cleverness and strength both are uncountable nouns. Question number 2. Find the adjectives, put them after the nouns. इस सेंटेंस में एडजेक्टिव नाउन से पहले यूज हुआ है. हमें यहाँ एडजेक्टिव को नाउन के बाद यूज करना है. तो सेंटेंस क्या होगा? The fox that was cunning was no match for the strength of the tiger that was ferocious. Question number 3. Find the impostor and say what part of speech it is if it is not a verb. In the above sentence, the word cunning is an impostor verb which is used as adjective. Question number 4. Find one countable and one uncountable noun. Tiger, fox both are countable noun. Strength, cleverness both are uncountable noun. Question number 5. Find the subject and predicate. स्टूडेंट्स, ये सेंटेंस हमें किसके बारे में बता रहा है? द क्लेवरनेस ऑफ द कनिंग फॉक्स. सो द क्लेवरनेस ऑफ द कनिंग फॉक्स इज सब्जेक्ट. The rest part of the sentence other than subject is called predicate. Was no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger is predicate. Question number 6. Change the tense to the present and future. The cleverness of the cunning fox was no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger. स्टूडेंट्स, ये सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस में है. अगर इसी सेंटेंस को प्रेजेंट टेंस में चेंज करना है तो हमें वर्ब वाज के बदले इज यूज करना है. सो इन प्रेजेंट टेंस द सेंटेंस विल बी द क्लेवरनेस of the cunning fox is no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger. अगर सेंटेंस को फ्यूचर टेंस में चेंज करना है तो हमें वर्ब विल यूज करना पड़ेगा. सो इन फ्यूचर टेंस द सेंटेंस विल बी द क्लेवरनेस of the cunning fox will be no match for the strength of the ferocious tiger. Thank you.